Welcome to Cooking Pancakes 101. To start, we need a bowl. We're using Kodiak Power Cakes for pancakes. And we're doing 1/2 cup of mix. Then we're adding an equal amount of water. 1/2 cup of water. The secret ingredient we use is vanilla extract. This makes the pancakes sweeter. I just kind of guess the amount, blah, 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 and a little bit more, okay. And we're done. Now, we need to mix it. You can use a blender, whatever it's called. I just use this little wicker thing and mix it up. Now, if you mix it up, you want to mix it until the pancake batter becomes fluffy. This is looking a little runny, so add a little bit of more mix. That looks much better. Once that step is complete, your griddle is about medium heat, and sometimes it says to add oil or something. This is a non-stick, so you don't have to. You take a 1/4 cup of the batter, which in this case will probably only make about 2 pancakes, and you pour it on the griddle. And you have probably enough for one more. And pour it on there. See how the pancakes are nice and round? And if you got a little bit more left, you can make a baby one. You let these cook. Until you get a bunch of bubbles. See these little bubbles on top? You want a bunch of those bubbles. Then once you get a bunch of those bubbles, that's when we're gonna flip it. So you can see where the pancakes are getting a little bumpy. That's where the bubbles form. The batter's a little bit thicker, so they'll probably not form as quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. So you just take it, flip it over. Oh, that's a perfect cook. Flip it over. Oh, kind of mess that one up. And flip it over. Oh, really mess that one up. Now, just let them cook a little bit longer until they're perfectly brown on the other side. There's no time limit. Depends on the setting of the temperature, so you just have to keep watching it. And then once the other side's nice and golden brown like this side, they are ready to add syrup and eat. Once your pancakes are done, you get to put them on the plate. That's how the back looks. Golden brown. Flip them back over, add another one, and the baby. Turn off the stove. I myself like to add butter. Add a big chunk of butter. Add some syrup. And there you have a perfect pancake. Brought to you by Blinkerrr.